Hi everyone, this is my 2006 Land Rover Discovery 3 TD V6 version, and the job for today is to program a new key using the GAP tool. So this is my original key here, and this is a new key that I've just bought from eBay. It's not a Land Rover item, it's an aftermarket product. It costs just short of £45. I've purchased this particular key in the past and haven't had any problems with it, so I would recommend it. If you would like to get a similar key, I'll leave a link in the description below for the seller. So I've already went ahead and got the metal part of the key cut. That cost about £10. So let's now program the key using the GAP tool. So this GAP IID tool has been worth its weight in gold. Not only does it code keys, it of course reads fault codes, and it has many other functions for modern Land Rovers. It's a Bluetooth device, so it connects to an app on your phone, and to use it you need to plug it in under your dashboard in the OBD reader port, like that. So now you can open your GAP tool app. You need to have your original key in ignition and the ignition turned on. And when you're in the main menu, you need to go to service test, then you can go to body control, then program keys. Read manual before using this function. Yes, I've done that. Continue. Each key is programmed to position 1. Continue. When completed, turn last key at position 2. Continue. Reprogram all keys, including new ones. Yes. Start engine. Turn key to position 1. Programming key. Key programmed. Insert next key. Programming key. Key programmed. Insert next key or turn ignition on. So that was the last key. So turn ignition on. Operation succeed. So let's test to see if all the keys are working properly. Let's take the original key, lock and unlock. Yep, that's good. Start the engine. Yep, all good. The new key, lock and unlock, all good. Start the engine. We're in business. So that was just a short video showing you how to program a key with the GAP tool. If you would like to see any other functions of the GAP tool, please leave a comment below. Thanks very much for watching the video. If you found it helpful, please give me a like and possibly a subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.